sparkling, dazzling, and full of red carpet vibes. We'll go step by step through the eye makeup so you can easily learn and recreate this stunning look yourself. If you enjoy this cozy moment, please support my art with a like and a subscribe, and maybe share it with a friend who loves beauty too. Now, relax, listen closely, and let's dive into this glowing tutorial together. Take the smallest flat brush and gently apply a black shadow along the crease of the eyelid, following the natural shape of the eye. Extend the tip outward, softly pulling it toward the temple. Take an eyeliner brush and very softly pull a thin line, lifting the edge of the makeup toward the temple, and trace along the lower crease line as well to give the look more depth and definition. Now, repeat the same steps on the other eye, keeping the line soft and even. Go back to the small flat brush, pick up a shade close to your skin tone, and gently blend out the upper edges for a softer transition. I do the same on the other eye, blending softly for an even finish. Using a dense light concealer and a flat synthetic brush, carefully clean up and perfect the lower edge of the makeup, tracing along the crease and softly pulling it out toward the temple. I do the same on the other eye, blending softly for an even finish. Take an eyeliner brush with black shadow and define the lower line to make it sharper and more graphic. I do the same on the other eye, blending softly for an even finish. Take your favorite eyeliner and draw a wing, following the upper shape of our makeup. Extend the liner into the inner corner of the eye, tracing along both the upper and lower lash lines for a trendy, defined look. Repeat the same on the other eye, keeping the lines balanced and symmetrical. You're wonderful. You're doing so well. It's time to shine. Take your sparkliest cream glitter and apply it all over the mobile lid, tracing right along the makeup line. Do the same on the other eye, making sure the sparkle is even and glowing. It's time to work on the lower lid to give the look a finished touch. Using a small flat brush and black shadow, line the lower edge of the eye for added depth and definition. Take an eyeshadow shade close to your skin tone and blend out the lower edges for a softer, diffused effect. See how important it is to define the lower lid. The eyes instantly look bigger and more expressive. Blend out the lower edge a little more for an even softer and smoother transition. Repeat everything on the other eye, remembering to keep the blending soft and seamless. Add a touch of light pearly shadow to the inner corner of the eyes and just beneath the brow to brighten the gaze. And finish by applying false lashes for that glamorous touch. Repeat the same on the other eye and complete our glamorous makeup look. Thank you for being here with me on Glow by Low. I truly believe you enjoyed this and learned how to create this glamorous makeup look together with me. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like, and maybe share it with a friend who loves beauty too. Until next time, see you soon.